Hello, it's been a while since I've posted a video, but today I'm trying to fix a few high threads on this daily. It's a DIY daily I did a few years ago, and I did make a drawing about this thread polisher. It's 3D printed. I'm going to try to share with you the drawing, and I'm going to demo to you the way it works. It's very simple, but it works like a charm. So if you have a 3D printer or maybe a guy that can help you with this one, I will pass a few sandpapers from let's say 400 to 4000. This is the thread that before I reground it before with my file, so the surface is very rough and hard. And now, if you see, there's a little slot here that your thread will fill in. Done with one. This is 800. This is 1200. This is 2000 grid. This is 3000. And this is 4000. Since I'm passing 4000, I think it's not necessary to pass any polishing paste, but you can see how shiny it is. Anyway, I hope this helps. I will try to share with you the drawing. Have a nice day.